Hello, baby! Hello, grown-ups! Welcome back to our baby speech time. Today, we are going to meet some animals. Animals make fun sounds. We will look and we will listen. And we will try the sounds together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look, who is here? It's a duck. 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 What sound does the duck make? Watch my mouth. Woof! 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 Now, your turn. Woof! Good trying. Dog says woof. Woof. Now, next. Look here. Cat. 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 What does the cat say? Watch carefully. Meow. 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 Now, your turn. Meow. Meow. Very good listening and trying to say meow. Cat says meow. Now, next animal. Look. It's a cow. 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 What sound does the cow make? Moo. 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 Your turn. Moo. Good trying. The cow says moo. Moo. Well done. Look, who is here? Sheep. Yes, sheep. It's a sheep. Sheep. What does the sheep say? Ba, ba. Ba. Now your turn. Ba, ba. Sheep says ba, 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 ba. Well done. Now, sound review game. Let's listen again. Dog says woof, woof. Woof, woof. Cat says meow, meow. Meow, meow. Cow says moo, moo. Moo, moo. Moo, moo. Sheep says ba, ba. Ba, ba. Ba, ba. Well done, little friends. Very good listening. The dog says woof, woof. The cat says meow, meow. The cow says moo, moo. The sheep says ba, ba. So many animal sounds. Today we listened to animals. Dog, woof, woof. Cat, meow, meow. Cow, moo, moo. Sheep, ba, ba. You did a wonderful job watching, listening, and trying the sounds. Today we are going to meet more animals. Animals make funny sounds. Yes, we will look and we will listen and we will try to say sounds together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's take a peek inside our learning basket. Wow! Oh, look here. Duck, duck. What does the duck say? Watch my mouth. Quack, 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 quack. Now your turn. Quack, quack. Good trying. Duck says quack, quack. Quack, quack. Good job. Now, look here. horse. Horse. What does the horse say? Neigh. Neigh. Now your turn. Neigh. Neigh. The horse says neigh. Good listening and good talking. Horse says neigh. Neigh. Well done. Oh, look. Ooh. Look. It's a lion. Lion. What sound does the lion make? Roar. 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 Now, your turn. Lion says roar. And again, roar. Lion. Lion. Lion says roar. Good trying. Well done, amazing baby. Now, look. Bird. It's just a bird. 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 This is a bird. What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Your turn. Tweet, tweet. And again. Tweet, tweet. Wonderful listening. Bird says tweet, tweet. Yes, well done. So look, here is the duck saying quack, quack. And here is the horse, neigh, neigh. Lion, roar, roar. Bird, tweet, tweet. Now let's play a listening game. I will make a sound. You find the animal. Ready? Listen. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Duck, yes. Duck says quack, quack. Now, listen. Roar, roar, roar. Yes, lion. Lion goes roar, roar. Lion. Now, listen. tweet. Tweet, tweet. Bird. Bird says tweet, tweet. Yes. Tweet, tweet. Bird. Bird says tweet, tweet. Now listen. Neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh. Horse. Horse. Horse says neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh. Well done, little friends. Now, animal sound story. Listen. The duck says quack, quack. The duck says quack, quack. The horse, the horse says neigh, neigh. The horse says neigh, neigh. The lion says roar, roar. The lion says roar, roar. The bird says tweet, tweet. The bird says tweet, tweet. Wow, amazing. So many sounds around. Animal sounds. Quack, quack. Neigh, neigh. Roar, roar. Tweet, tweet. Today we listened animal sounds. We listened to animals. Duck, quack, quack. Horse, neigh, neigh. Lion, roar, roar. Bird, tweet, tweet. You did a wonderful job watching, listening, and trying the sounds. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye bye, baby.